can be a major barrier to language learning. Help your child build their confidence by providing them with ample opportunities to practice their English skills in a supportive environment. Encourage them to speak English without fear of making mistakes and reassure them that errors are a natural part of the learning process. Celebrate their successes and progress, and provide constructive feedback to help them improve. 7. Seek professional help if necessary. If your child continues to struggle with learning English despite your best efforts, it may be helpful to seek professional help. This can involve enrolling your child in an English language course or hiring a private tutor who specializes in teaching English as a second language. A professional can provide expert guidance and tailor their teaching approach to your child's specific needs and learning style. 8. Encourage extracurricular activities in English. Participating in extracurricular activities conducted in English can help children practice their language skills in a fun and engaging way. Encourage your child to join English language clubs, such as drama, debate, or book clubs, or to participate in English-speaking events and competitions. These activities can help your child develop their English skills in a real-world context and boost their confidence in using the language. 9. Maintain open communication. Maintain open communication with your child about their English language learning journey. Encourage them to share their feelings, concerns, and achievements, and listen to their experiences without judgment. This will help you understand their perspective and identify any issues they may be facing. By maintaining open communication, you can provide the necessary support and encouragement to help your child overcome challenges in learning English. 10. Be patient and persistent. Learning a new language takes time, effort, and perseverance. It's important for both parents and educators to remain patient and persistent throughout the learning process. Encourage your child to keep trying, even when they face setbacks or difficulties. Remind them that learning English is a long-term goal and progress may be slow at times. By maintaining a positive and supportive attitude, you can help your child stay motivated and overcome challenges in their English language learning journey. 11. Connect English learning to their interests. One effective way to engage children in learning English is by connecting the language to their interests and hobbies. For example, if your child is interested in sports, encourage them to read English articles about their favorite athletes or watch English language sports programs. This will help them see the relevance of learning English and motivate them to practice their language skills in a context that they find enjoyable and meaningful. 12. Foster a positive attitude towards learning. A positive attitude towards learning is essential for overcoming challenges in language acquisition. Encourage your child to view learning English as an exciting opportunity to explore a new language and culture, rather than a daunting task. Help them understand the benefits of learning English, such as improved communication, increased job opportunities, and the ability to travel and interact with people from different cultures. 13. Collaborate with teachers and other parents.